This short video will provide you with an overview on Boolean operators. By the end of this video, you should understand what Boolean operators are and know how to use the Boolean operators and/or to combine search terms in a scholarly database. Boolean operators are used in databases to connect your search terms. Boolean operators include and, or, not. Though not always required, we recommend that you type them out in uppercase. Boolean operators are required to turn a research question into a query the database can understand. They make searching more efficient, and they enable searchers to combine dozens of queries into one. The Boolean AND is used to find documents that contain all of your listed terms. In this example, I only want to find documents where hearing loss and older adults appear. Use AND to narrow your search and find the overlap between different concepts. The Boolean OR is used to find documents where at least one of your listed terms appears. In this example, I'd like to find documents where either the term loss or impairment has been used. Use OR to broaden your search and group together your related terms or synonyms. To make all this work together, you'll need to use parentheses. Parentheses allow you to group your key concepts together and are essential when using Boolean operators. For example, if I'm searching for articles on hearing loss, there are various synonyms. To retrieve these, I will use parentheses to group my synonyms with my other term. The example shown on this slide will retrieve articles where either hearing impairment or hearing loss appear. If I neglect to add parentheses, then the order of operations is unclear and the scholarly database will be unable to understand the relationship between our search terms and key concepts. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at bibliolibrary@uottawa.ca.